Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making spicy stir-fried chicken. Tender, juicy, and full of that irresistible chili aroma. Just look at that. Bright peppers, glossy sauce, and perfectly cooked chicken. It smells amazing already. Alright, let's start by prepping our chicken. I'm using one chicken breast here. Slice it into pieces, not too thin, or it will break apart easily later when we mix it. Now let's marinate. Add 1 teaspoon ginger powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon cooking wine, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, half a tablespoon dark soy sauce, 5 grams oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Massage everything in. Make sure that chicken drinks up all that flavor. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Give it one last mix. Marinate the chicken for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's prepare the veggies. Slice up some green chilies, red chilies, and a few cloves of garlic. Everything is ready, let's start cooking. A lot of people say chili stir-fry only tastes spicy, not savory enough. Here's a little trick. Before frying, sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt over the chilies. Then add them to the dry wok with no oil. And stir-fry over low heat until they soften and smell fragrant. This brings out the chili aroma and removes that harsh spiciness. Once they are soft and a little blistered, take them out. Now heat some oil in the wok. Add in the chicken and stir-fry gently. Once it just turns white, toss in the garlic and stir until fragrant. Then add the chilies back in. Crank up the heat and give it a good toss. You will smell that rich spicy aroma filling the kitchen. When everything is coated and sizzling, that's it. Time to plate. Look at that! Doesn't this dish look so appetizing? The chicken is tender, the peppers smell amazing. Pure comfort food. Let's give it a try. Wow, that's incredible. So flavorful, spicy, but not overwhelming. And the chicken is perfectly juicy. If you ever don't know what to cook, make this one. It's delicious, easy, and budget friendly. Thanks for watching. See you next time.